Hi, I'm Ann Assassin. I'm going to explain some more of the main dashboard in Baleware. In my line of work, timing is everything. So I want to start by explaining something that is very unique to the Baleware demo environment. There is a work date on the screen that allows you to move through time, to progress with a file. So you can start a file a year ago and walk it through the court or adjudication processes. You can make the file be an FTA and even push it through the legal recourse. There are two rules. The first rule is, it won't work if you try to set the work date into the future, so you can only progress up to today's date. Most of our demo data starts in April of 2024. The second rule is, this is a fully functional public sandbox for Baleware. You can create new files, upload images, make notes, send text messages, all of it. 100% functional, so play nice. No profanity, no nudie pics, etc. Right now, don't worry about logging in. Just keep progressing through the videos. My friend, Will Power, has a video on helping you get logged in to the sandbox at the end of the video series. By the way, just to make sure we keep our sandbox clean, we actually restore the demo database on a nightly basis. In other words, what you enter today won't be there tomorrow. So, let's get started and I'll do a screen share. Okay, so here's the work date I was talking about. Now this doesn't exist in the production system, only in the demo system. The reason is, we need to keep a viable history of events without allowing companies to change history. But here in demo, it helps our prospective clients watch how a file or bond progresses through time. You'll note that the clock is advancing. You can see the seconds ticking by. This is important because as you build a new file, the events in the System Notes section then occur chronologically too. One thing to remember, each time you set the work date and time, it stores that in a cookie on your computer. So if you had it set for April 6th at 8 a.m. and let it move forward to 3 p.m., then log out and log back in again, it will go back to 8 a.m. again. So be aware of that. Before we set the time, I want to first show you something. We're looking at recent files. Lou just did the demo on this screen. And I want to show you that my file isn't there because the work date is set to the morning of the 6th. My file shows up on the 7th, and over the course of the day, things progress. And by the 8th, my file was pretty much wrapped up, so we'll change the work date to the 8th to see all the activity on my file. If we move the work date further forward in time, you'll see even more files in the demo database. This is important because I have a lot of friends with funny names to laugh at in here. All the while, you'll be learning the platform. Okay. I'm going to hit a few things hard and fast now, because they're simple and I'm trying to keep the video short. Look at the blue text on the screen and watch what happens when I click each. Some will allow changing of status of a person or a file. Clicking on the bond number hyperlink will show you to the scanned-in bond agreement. The address link will reach out to Google Maps and show you the address. The email and phone links will bring you into our communications hub. You can also get there by clicking the blue Connect button. Now, back up top to the accordion buttons. One of the accordions we haven't talked about yet is images. There's my sister, who bailed me out. I can mute that image if I want by clicking on the eyeball. Then I can bring her back into scope by readjusting the filter. Note that the collateral images are there on the file as well. That was put there during the collateral processing phase. We'll get to that in the Creating a New File training video. Thanks for allowing me to explain some of the things you'll need to know while exploring our demo database. I think Rusty Shackles has the next video on the Comms Hub.